Elements of communication system. Some major milestones in the history of communication. Around 1565 AD, it is believed that Minister Birbal experimented with the arrangement to decide the number of drummers posted between the place where the queen stayed and place where the king stayed. The, the reporting of a delivery of a child by the queen using drum beats from a distant place to the king Akbar. In the year 1835, it resulted in tremendous growth of messages through the post office and reduced physical travel of messengers considerably. This year is also remembered for the invention of telegraph by Samuel F. B. Morse and Sir Charles Wheatstone. In the year 1876, perhaps the most widely used means of communication in the history of mankind is invented. In this year, telephone is invented by Alexander Graham Bell and Antonio McCoy. The year 1895 meant a great leap from the era of communication using wires to communicating without using wires, that is, wireless. In this year, Jagdish Chandra Bose and Guglielmo Marconi demonstrated wireless telegraphy. The year 1936 was remembered in the history of communication for the first television broadcast by BBC. Television broadcast. In the picture, John Logie Baird. In the year 1955, first fax is transmitted across continents. The idea of fax transmission was patented by Alexander Bain in 1843. First radio fax transmitted across continents. Alexander Bain. In the year 1968, ARPANET was the project undertaken by US Defense Department. It allowed file transfer from one computer to another computer through a network. ARPANET, the first internet came into existence. J.C.R. Licklider. In the year 1975, fiber optical wires came into existence. Fiber optical systems are superior, economical compared to the traditional communication system. Fiber optics developed at Bell Laboratories. In the year 1895 to 91, the World Wide Web came into existence. WWW may be regarded as the mammoth encyclopedia of knowledge accessible to everyone around the world throughout the year. In the picture, Tim Berners-Lee, who invented the World Wide Web. Communication pervades for all stages of life of all living creatures. Irrespective of its nature, every communication system has three essential elements. transmitter, medium or channel, receiver. Block diagram of generalized communication system. You can see that information from the source in the form of message signal is transmitted to the transmitter. From the transmitter, it goes into the channel or medium. In the medium, due to distortion, message signal become weak and came out of the channel in the form of noise. The remaining part of the message signal went to receiver. Information source. The place from where the information is being sent or broadcasted. Message signal. The actual message which is being sent. In real life, messages which is to be sent to a different place should first be converted to a form in which it can be transmitted. The communication is possible because the voice of the call is being converted into electrical signals and being transmitted to other place. Transmitter. This device is used to send signals from the information source. Channel. It is the physical medium which connects the transmitter to the receiver. Noise. It is the unwanted signal that mixes or interferes with our message and reduces its clarity. Receiver. It is the destination of the message.